How to hide a picture in photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, open up the Photos app. Next, open up a picture that you want to hide. So for example, this one right here. Next, tap on the More button at the top. And from the pop-up menu, choose Hide. Then tap on Hide Photo. And that's it. That selected pictures is now hidden. To view your hidden photos, you can go into Photos app, and from here we'll go back. So here I'll close this view, and then scroll down to the Utilities section, and in here tap on Hidden, and then you need to verify first before you can view hidden album. And that's it. All your hidden pictures or photos will be placed in the hidden folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.